What's up, everyone? River Caraba here, the analytics guy, coming back at you for a very special video today. It's actually something I just kind of stumbled across on my browsing of the interwebs today, and I wanted to share it with you. So many of you know that on YouTube in particular, there are tons of tools that you have access to, whether that's Google Trends or Keyword Planner, or there's also kind of paid services that have some free components too, like TubeBuddy, and what we're going to be talking about today, which is a service called vidIQ. vidIQ, so just going to my YouTube channel here, is a really awesome service. Once you get all set up, there's all kinds of data that you can have. So here on the analytics guy, this is absolutely perfect. Anything from demographics to countries to what are your top videos to what's the best time to post, all kinds of really good information that you can get in here. That is actually not what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about one thing that I noticed. So let's go back to that YouTube channel, and I don't know if you can see this up here, but there's this plugin. So you can get a plugin for, this is TubeBuddy and vidIQ. I use both. I don't really have a preference at the moment, but what you can do is download this plugin. So you can go to vidIQ.com first, go up here to apps, go to Vision. That's their app, and you can download this for Chrome. I use Chrome. That's what I have the best luck with, so download that for Chrome here. Once you get that downloaded, and these links will all be in the description below, go ahead and then endorse that extension, and you'll see it comes up here at the top. This also puts a plugin into when you upload videos. So if we were to upload a new video right now, you would see all the plugin in the back end, and I'll show you that here in a second. But it does something really incredible if you are a small creator. So we just started up this channel not long ago, slow to grow so far, but if you do notice right here, there is this hours watched, okay? And it says conveniently the last 12 months. So that means the new YouTube partner program, vidIQ, has adapted very, very quickly and have added that right in. So you just right from your home page can see how many hours are you adding up to that 4,000 hour minimum and that 1,000 subscriber minimum, so you can meet the YouTube partner program benchmark and then begin to monetize your channel. So I know some of you are very concerned about some of the changes. This is really cool because you get to see it now really, really easy. But like I mentioned earlier, let's actually go in to the back end here and show you what some of those tools look like once you have that plug-in. So we'll go to the video that was used the other day. Again, I use TubeBuddy and I use vidIQ. If anybody's watching from either of those channels, you can tell me differently if you don't like it, but I love them both. And see down here, this is vidIQ down here. It gives a SEO score, which I really watch. So as you alter your different tags, or if you alter your description and your title, it's going to give you a score, right? And that's just really, really cool that it can show you how your SEO changes with different tags that have different value to them and the availability. What I also like about this particular thing is the keyword inspector. So you can type in any kind of tag. I'll go here and just type in analytics, and then what it will do is pull this up, and it gives some like search volumes and some different tags. You can search by that. What are adjacent tags? Just a really cool plugin. So if you're a small creator, this is a really cool tool that you can use. In addition to that plugin at the top that has to do with how many watch hours you have accumulated. That is so awesome that they've already adapted to that. Absolutely love that. So go over here to vidIQ, download that plugin. It's a free plugin. They do have paid tiers of service. So if you go over here to pricing, you can see the different kinds of services and that they have to offer here. I'll leave this link again in the description below so you can check it out. I won't belabor. They're not paying me to say this, vidIQ. I have no partnership with them. It's just another tool that I wanted to provide to all of you. But that being said, folks, it is time for our first creator spotlight. So you know, here on the Analytics Guy, I do the creator spotlight, and today our first creator spotlight is Colin Bloodworth of Colin Bloodworth Vlogs. This is the first one, so I actually chose Colin. He's a friend of the Analytics Guy. But Colin, I've know his channel well. We shoot videos together every once in a while for collaborations for my wife and I's vlogging channel. So shameless plug for Colin. But not only is he a friend, but he's an incredibly talented creator. If you like coffee, if you like cinematic photography, he's a go-to guy. Incredibly knowledgeable. He's very humble, very modest too. So go check him out. We'll leave his channel in the description below. If you would like to be on the next Creator Spotlight, you will find a link to the Google form down below where you can submit totally for free. Totally for free. It's all about helping out creators, and we will showcase you in the next Creator Spotlight. But with that, vidIQ, if you have any questions about that, leave them in the description below, the comment section below. I'm happy to answer any questions. I've used a fair amount of tools, as you guys know, working in the advertising and media world as an analyst for some of the largest brands in the world. I have to use tools like that all of the time. So I've developed some opinions. Let me know, what's your favorite? What's your favorite tool to use? Leave it in the description below. And here's the most important thing. I put it on the screen earlier, but if you do want to buy vidIQ, I actually have an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it actually rev shares with us if you part of your subscription. So if you want to do that, go ahead. It helps out our channel. Would really appreciate it. But again, only if that's something that you want to do. They do have the free service as well. So you'll find all of those links that I mentioned in the description below. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. If you're a small creator, I just can't get over that vidIQ adapted that fast and put in those hours watched, so you can start to pace and see how many hours you've developed in the last 12 months to reach that YouTube partner program. So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and we will see you in the next one.